Most people think credit cards are all about rewards, but here's the surprising truth. Sometimes a low-interest card can save you more money than cashback or points. Today, I'm reviewing the ANZ Low Rate Credit Card. The ANZ Low Rate Credit Card is designed to reduce interest charges on balances. If you occasionally carry a balance, this card minimizes the cost compared to standard credit cards. It's ideal for anyone who wants predictable, manageable debt. Most people get this wrong by assuming low fees mean fewer features. While the focus is on low interest, the ANZ Low Rate Card still offers contactless payments, online banking, and basic security features. It's not flashy, but it's practical. You won't believe what happens next. The card often has promotional rates for balance transfers or new purchases. If used wisely, these offers can help consolidate debt or reduce interest temporarily. However, missing payments can still result in higher fees, so discipline is key. The downsides include limited rewards. There's no significant cashback or loyalty program, so if your goal is earning points or perks, this may not be the best card. Annual fees are modest, and interest savings outweigh the cost for most users. The surprising truth about this card is that it works best for people who focus on saving money rather than chasing rewards. For regular credit card users carrying a balance, it can reduce financial stress and interest charges significantly. So who should apply? Anyone looking to manage credit responsibly, reduce interest payments, or consolidate existing balances. If you always pay in full, other rewards cards may be more valuable. If this review helped you understand the ANZ Low Rate Credit Card, subscribe for more honest credit card reviews and tips to manage debt effectively.